out. Hopefully this video will help someone to install a DDPAI Mini 5 and power it with a OBD. This video will also help those who want to install any DashCam using the OBD USB adapter. You can purchase the DDPAI Mini 5 on eBay, Amazon or AliExpress. The OBD adapter with female USB socket is available on eBay and Aliexpress. Unboxing: you get DDPAI Mini 5 camera device, DashCam mount, pry bar for hiding wiring, spare mounting adhesive, 2-volt USB adapter, 10 feet USB power cable, and electrostatic mounting sticker. You can also use smartphone template glass as a substitute, don't need memory card. The device has it built-in memory. This is the camera device USB-C power connector. At the other end, you have the power switch. Press twice to toggle Wi-Fi on/off. Press once to toggle audio recording. Press and hold for 6 seconds to reset to factory settings, e.g. reset password. There is no power on/off button on this device. This is the female OBD socket adapter to USB-A connector with a power switch that can be bought from AliExpress or eBay or Amazon. You need to install the DDPai app on your smartphone, register using your email, then update or upgrade the DDP device firmware using app. The original firmware is terrible. It is better and faster to upgrade it at home with a powerful Wi-Fi. Just connect the camera to a USB-C power source, smartphone charger, and link it to the app in your smartphone. Go through the menu and settings and set up your preference, like KMH, and excellent video quality. Set up and synchronize firmware. Better to connect to a smartphone wall USB power charger instead of a PC or laptop USB socket, as you need power. After the device is powered on, wait for the red LED light to change to blue to indicate that it is searching for Wi-Fi connection. On your smartphone, with the installed DDP app, open your Wi-Fi setup and connect to device name DDPai and some number to connect to your phone. After you link the camera to your smartphone, you can change the password and the device name as you so desired. The Wi-Fi on the device can be turned off by clicking the button twice. Also note that when your smartphone is connected to the device, there won't be any data connection on your phone, so your WhatsApp, Maps and other app won't be available when you are in your car and the device is active, so only switch on the device Wi-Fi if you want to download video and picture from the device. I normally bring the whole device home and download the data to smartphone or PC using USB cable, much faster. Camera device, DashCam mount with adhesive tape and 10 feet USB-C cable. Firstly, clean the glass panel in front of the rear view mirror with IPA and microfiber cloth. Use the electrostatic sticker and mount on the thoroughly cleaned glass. If no more sticker, I used a smartphone glass template. The sticker has a guide on where to stick the DashCam mount adhesive. Pull away the protective film, stick the template onto the windscreen glass, pointing the camera to the center front of the car. Installing the 10 feet USB-C cable. Gently use the small pry bar to open a gap in the cushion and pillars to insert the cable. Installation: you need the small pry tool to insert the 10 feet USB cable at the front of the rearview mirror, into the top cushion, down the A-pillar on the right, into the rubber seal of the driver door, through the side panel under the console, above the brake pedal area. Under the driver console, there should be a OBD socket, where you connect the OBD adapter for the power supply of the DDPAI-CAM. Connect the USB connectors. Hide the cables neatly under the driver console, using blue tack or mounting tapes. The OBD power is permanently uneven when the engine is off, but will automatically switch off when battery voltage hit 11.6 volt. Press the switch on the adapter cable to supply power to the dashcam. Can leave item permanently, but some cars have a current leakage sensor that will prevent the OBD from functioning if engine is not running. Good luck, thanks for watching the video and have a nice day.